Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Rizwana's Rasoi. Today's recipe is moringa chapati with garlic chutney. Now doesn't that sound healthy? This recipe is ideal for those on a weight loss journey and also for those who are suffering from chronic diseases. Moringa leaves are packed with vitamins, minerals and antioxidants, promotes weight loss and fights diabetes and hypertension. So stay tuned and watch the entire video to know the recipe for healthy and nutritious moringa chapati along with garlic chutney. First, we are going to prepare the moringa chapati. For that, here I have taken half cup of chopped moringa leaves. Pluck the moringa leaf from its stem and soak it in water for around 15 minutes so that the dirt gets separated and settled down. Then wash the leaves twice or thrice and finely chop it so that you get half a cup. Now in a mixing bowl I have taken 2 cups, that is roughly around 400 grams of wheat flour, that is the same flour we use for chapati. Here you can substitute wheat flour with any healthy flour of your choice like jawar, bajra or ragi, or instead you can also use a multigrain atta. To this flour I am adding the finely chopped moringa or drumstick leaves. Next I am adding 1 tablespoon of grated ginger. Add half teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of carom seeds or ajwain. Carom seeds and cumin seeds help in digestion. For spices I am adding half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Add salt as per taste. Now mix all the ingredients well. Add water little by little and knead it into a dough, same way as we do for chapati. Make sure that the dough is not too soft or too firm, it should be semi-firm. If you insert your finger, it should leave an impression like this. I am now going to rest this for 20 minutes before we start rolling out the chapatis. While the dough is resting, we are going to prepare a very quick and spicy garlic chutney that goes as a very good combination with the moringa rotis that we have prepared. For that, in a mixer jar I have taken half cup of garlic cloves. Garlic also has many medicinal properties. Add 5 Kashmiri red chilies, 3 ordinary red chilies, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and salt as per taste. Then I am adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add 1/4 cup of water or as required and grind it into a thick paste. So here our chutney is ready and you can see that the color is nice and vibrant. This is because of the Kashmiri red chilies we added. You can adjust the number of chilies as per your spice level. Here our dough has been resting for around 20 to 30 minutes and we can now start rolling out the chapatis. Take small portions of the prepared dough and make them into lemon-sized balls. Make sure that the surface is nice and smooth and free of cracks. Here I could get around 12 dough balls for the amount of atta shown. Take a dough ball and gently flatten it out before we start rolling it. Now dust it with some dry flour so that you can roll it out conveniently. Now with a rolling pin, start rolling the chapatis and ensure that the thickness is not too thick or too thin. Now take a tawa and ensure that it is nice and hot. Place the rolled moringa chapatis. Cook it on one side and wait till you get some spots. Once the spots start appearing, you can flip it over and cook it from the other side as well. Here I am adding some desi ghee. You can substitute it with coconut oil if you like. These are healthy fats and hence can be very well included in your diet. So here our healthy moringa chapati is ready to be served. So friends, as we all know, a healthy outside starts from the inside. So do try this recipe and share your thoughts in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button for updates. Until we meet next time with yet another recipe, it's bye from Rizwana's Rasoi. Thank you for watching.